In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a client logo strip to your GoDaddy website. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website that you want to edit. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. When the editor opens, go to the page where you want your client logo strip to appear. Scroll down to the exact spot where you want to place this new section. In GoDaddy Website Builder, you can add a new section between existing sections, so look for the Add Section button in that area and click it. You will now see different section categories that you can use. To create a client logo strip, open sections like Gallery, Content, or Features. These categories often include layouts that can display several images side by side. Choose a layout that shows multiple images in a row, since that format works best for a clean client logo strip. Once you find a suitable design, click Add to insert the section onto your page. After the section is added, replace the default or placeholder images with your own client logo images. Upload each logo carefully, and make sure you are using clear, high-quality image files so the logos look professional on your site. Continue adding or replacing the images until all of the logos you want to show are included in the section. Next, arrange the logos in the order you want them to appear. You can organize them based on brand importance, visual balance, or any sequence that fits your website design. If the section includes a heading or title, edit that text as needed. You can use something simple and direct, such as our clients, trusted by, or brands we work with. Once everything is in place, review the full client logo strip inside the editor. Check that the spacing looks good, the logos are aligned properly, and the images are easy to see. Then click Preview to view how the section will appear on your live website. This is a good time to confirm that the strip looks clean on the page and fits well with the rest of your content. If everything looks right, click Publish to make the client logo strip live on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.